little bit of disregard, handful of complaints, but I can't help the fact that everyone can see these scars. I am what I want you to want, what I want you to feel, but it's like no matter what I do, I can't convince you to just believe this is real. So let go, watching you turn your back like you always do, face away and pretend that I'm not, but I'll be here cause you're all that I got. I can't feel the way I did before. Don't turn your back on me.
You come to me with scars on your wrist. You tell me this will be the last night feeling like this.
I just came to say goodbye. Didn't want you to see me cry. I'm fine.
But I know it's alright. This is the last night you'll spend alone. Look me in the eyes so I know you know I'm everywhere you want me to be. The last night you'll spend alone, I'll wrap you in my arms and I won't let go. I'm everything you need me to be. Your parents say everything is your fault, but they don't know you like I know you. They don't know you at all.
I'm so sick of when they say it's just a phase, you'll be okay.
Over time, I've come to feel that everything must come apart, it seems. From the little child to the man of power, from the beggar to the angel of my dreams.
All I see is shattered pieces. I can't keep it hidden like a secret.
I can't look away.
From all this pain in the world we made. Every day you need a bulletproof vest to save yourself from what you could never guess.
Am I safe today?
When I step outside in the wars we wage, our future's here and now. Here comes the countdown.
No matter how many times that you told me you wanted to leave, no matter how many breaths that you took.
Stuck in a world